Dreaming of studying English literature abroad? Are you looking for scholarship options, how you can fund your studies? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Nilanjana's exclusive English lessons. I am Nilanjana and I teach English on YouTube for grades 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Why study English literature abroad? First of all, if you study English literature abroad, you will get an exposure to diverse literary traditions and critical perspectives. You will also get opportunities for research and you will also get access to world-class faculty. So if you are a student of English literature and if you love literature, then this option is a great thing for you. Also, if you take up English literature, there are various career options, like you can go for media, you can become a journalist, you can become an author, you can go for publishing. There are various career opportunities that you can take access to. So let's begin the video. So in this video, I'm going to cover some of the major universities in some great countries. So let's begin with UK.
The best universities for English literature in UK are University of Oxford, University of Cambridge and University of Edinburgh. There are many other universities which are also reputed, but I'm just giving you the tip of the iceberg. These are the top institutions based on global rankings and reputation. In the US, the best universities for English literature are the Harvard University, Yale University and the Stanford University. If we look into Australia's best universities, of course, you have the University of Melbourne and also the Australian National University. There are many other notable institutions for studying English literature. You can do your research work. I'm just giving you an idea about the same. And now I'm going to talk about the scholarships and the funding opportunities. Studying abroad can be expensive, but scholarships can make it accessible. So for scholarships, for the UK institutions are the Rhodes Scholarship, Oxford, fully funded. Then there is also the Gates Cambridge Scholarship and the Chevening scholarships. If you are talking about the scholarships for USA, then again there are a couple of scholarship programs. For example, the Fulbright Foreign Student Program, then also the Harvard Financial Aid. So these scholarships will make your funding opportunities little accessible. So of course you can do your research work and you can. Similarly, scholarships for Australia, the Australia Awards scholarships, and again then there are university specific scholarships. For example, if you are planning to choose a particular institution or a university, then you have to find out that what kind of scholarships are being offered by that institute. Now, what are the tips for the scholarship applications? First of all, you need to have a good academic record. For that, maintaining good grades throughout is very essential. And the second thing is a very well crafted statement of purpose. Statement of purpose, or an SOP, as it is often termed as, is basically a letter of introduction for yourself. And it is a letter where you talk about your hobbies, your likes, what is prompting you to take up this particular course, what else have you done apart from your studies. It is basically a complete introduction about yourself, where the person who will go through this statement of purpose will understand that why are you looking forward to this program and how genuine you sound. Next is the recommendation letters from teachers. And if you are looking for all these scholarship applications, then it is recommended that you do a thorough research work beforehand and you start applying early. So these were some of the most essential things for studying English literature abroad. That's what I wanted to share in this video. Now let me summarize the entire thing. So first of all, I'll just give you a step-by-step guide to applying. So firstly, you will choose a university based on the course structure, the faculty and the opportunities that you get. Once you have shortlisted that, you can check the eligibility and the deadlines for the scholarships, which is very important. Because if you are planning to take admission next year, then you have to start as early as this year. Then, of course, you need to get your documents ready, like the transcripts, SOP, letters of recommendation, and these documents also, they take time. So start beforehand, and then finally you can apply online and keep a track of all the responses. That's all for today. So those who are planning to take up English literature as a subject for your studies and you're planning to study abroad, this is how you can start with. I wish you all the best and I wish all your dreams come true. If you have liked the video, do submit your feedback and what else you would like to know, what kind of content you would like to see on this channel. That would help me to make more valuable content for all of you. Thank you so much.
I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, do share your feedback and do not forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram.